Hello everyone, if you're trying to play Forza Horizon 6 and you keep getting this error, fail to launch Forza Horizon 6 with error code 2, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how to fix this error on Forza Horizon 6 easily. So first off, you're going to open up the Xbox app on your computer. It does not matter if you have the game on Xbox or not. Now you're going to click onto your username, click on to support then, click on gaming services repair tool, and now click start repairing. Wait for this process to complete. It can take a minute or two. It's going to start diagnosing your issue, and once it finds the issue, it's going to try to fix it on its own. After it's done, sign out of your Xbox account and then close the Xbox app. Now you're going to open up your start menu. You're going to write here allow an app through Windows Firewall, and then click change settings, click allow another app, and now go on to your Forza Horizon 6 folder. The default location should be in your Steam's library. Here it is. Add the FH6.exe in here. Click add. And now make sure to tick both of these private and public checkboxes here. After that, just click OK. And then what you're going to do is you're going to open up your games platform, which is Steam for me. Right click on Forza Horizon 6, click properties, install files, click verify integrity of game files here. Once you do that, it's going to verify your game's files. And after you're done with that, now you're going to open up your start menu. You're going to write here view network connections. Click onto your internet connection. If you're on an internet connection, you should have Ethernet. If you're on a wireless connection, you should have WLAN. So right click on your network connection, click properties. Go into Internet Protocol version 4, click properties again, click on use the following DNS server addresses, write in the preferred DNS 1.1.1.1. In the alternate DNS, you're going to write 1.0.0.1. After that, click OK again, and then close this up. Now you're going to go ahead and try to play Forza Horizon 6 and you'll see that your game will not work. You'll not face those error codes anymore. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in my next video. Peace.